Guys, how are you?
Awesome.
Welcome to the village, okay? So we're all going to have an opportunity of doing what I'm doing. This is Kwaterry, where we offer the authentic rural experience. We also give the learners an experience like milking cows, the village tour using our donkeys.
With one hand, all right, here too. Oh.
One gentle squeeze.
Yes. That's good. This one. Yes.
Food tastes great and it seems different than how I eat it home. Especially the chimodo.
Ngena kambodya rodrana nedovi. Kudhara nditi. Vanhu vaisabika nemafuta vaishandisa dovi. So teerera ndichakubvunza imubvunza nditi.
Maitabasa. Rodrana. Inogona wana mshonga wayo wega. Manya shikuru. Aigarise mcage. Dere black kana brown.
So this is going to be my first time eating chicken with dough. I wonder how it would taste. Food was tasty, it was delicious. I couldn't even imagine how tasty the food was.
When I was riding the ngoro, I felt the breeze coming into my friends. Well, they were going pretty fast, but I wanted them to go faster. Some people were saying they were going like a TD6, but I didn't believe it.
But overall, it was a good feeling. I loved how the breeze was going in my face and flowing around. And that was my experience here.